About Rangers Protocol. Rangers Protocol is a future virtual world proofing blockchain infrastructure fully compatible with Ethereum, and natively supports NFT and complex applications. We integrate cross-chain, NFT, and EVM protocols, and expand on this basis, allowing developers to freely create complex decentralized applications that adapt to various scenarios while giving users an experience similar to Internet applications. Product plus vision. Rangers Protocol's NFT protocol is compatible with mainstream protocols such as ERC-721, and has been extended on this basis. First, each NFT has its own independent data space for dApps. For all dApps, all data space is readable, but only the currently owned dApp can modify the NFT data, and only the data space corresponding to this dApp can be modified. Second, it can record historical data of the entire NFT lifecycle, including NFT set issuance, NFT minting, NFT transactions, NFT destruction, NFT asset transfer to public chain, and stages. Other paragraph. In addition, Rangers Protocol designed the NFT shuttle mechanism so that the NFT can be attached to another dApp. Finally, Rangers Protocol also designed a rental mechanism, similar to rental in real life. NFT tenants only have usage rights, but no transactions and other rights. Rangers Protocol's vision is to become the blockchain infrastructure of the virtual world. To achieve this goal, it is necessary to prioritize the needs of NFTs and complex applications. Addressing these needs, and ultimately implementing Metaverse requires multidimensional support. The Rangers Protocol team believes that multidimensional request support is the underlying infrastructure that is better suited to Metaverse. After in-depth research by Mix Marvel, Rangers Protocol's incubator, on the industry, and in-depth research on various projects, the team believes that other existing solutions on the market currently provide relatively scattered support for NFTs, and they do solve some of the problems, but they do not constitute a complete, unified solution. Complex application scenarios for NFT are more complex than DeFi, and have higher requirements from the underlying layers. This is why we decided to implement Rangers Protocol. Rangers Protocol has anticipated the market needs, and offered solutions, accordingly, outperforming others on the market in terms of consistency and completeness. We start with the underlying architecture, and focus on user experience, developer experience, industry consensus, and other aspects to proceed with building the infrastructure. Image.png Team. Rangers Protocol is spearheaded by Jade Zhang, a senior gamer with 15 years of experience in the gaming industry, as well as considerable entrepreneurial experience and network resources in the traditional gaming world. Jade worked for Ubisoft, the well-known French video games development company behind some of the most popular games ever created. During her tenure there, she worked as a core developer in the Paris Center and the Montreal studios for a very long time. Jade took part in the development of projects like Assassin's Creed, Prince of Persia, Splinter Cell, etc., focusing on game engines and graphics. At the same time, Jade is also a serial entrepreneur, proficient in the upstream and downstream industry chain of the game industry. The self-developed game by her studio has topped the Apple Store download paid list several times, and has won international awards such as the Independent Game Award at the Cologne Game Show in Germany. Since then, Jade has been deeply involved in the global distribution of games for many years, and has set a record of being released in 85 countries/regions, and ranking first in 61 countries, regions. Jade entered the field of blockchain games in 2017, and founded Mixmarvel, a blockchain game publishing platform. Mixmarvel's first self-developed and published blockchain game Hyper Dragons was launched in April 2018. In August, the data on Ethereum surpassed CryptoKitties, attracting 1 million registered users, and 20,000 daily active users. Among them, the image of the dragon was quoted by CoinDesk, and used as the most influential blockchain figure of the year. The games released by Mixmarvel further include Hyper Dragons, Hyper Snakes, Crypto Throne, Sword, and Magic, etc., which once occupied half of DappRadar's top 20 blockchain games. Based on years of game publishing experience, and the record on the blockchain game track, the Mixmarvel team quickly realized that what NFT and complex applications represented by blockchain games most need is an underlying infrastructure that can support large-scale interactions. Image.png Roadmap Rangers Protocol will complete an asset cross-chain solution based on distributed signatures in Q3 of this year, which can support the circulation of Ethereum assets in Rangers Protocol. At this time, the Rangers connector will also officially land and support assets based on ERC20 and ERC721. At the same time, the consensus mechanism of Rangers connector will be upgraded to a consensus mechanism based on VRF plus TSS technology, which has the characteristics of high security, fast consensus speed. In Q4 this year, Rangers Protocol will implement EVM enhancements, and Rangers connector enhancements, and expand Solidity syntax to improve development efficiency in vertical fields. Rangers connector will be upgraded to a secure multi-party computation chain based on TSS plus VRF based on the content of Q3. Token definition. Rebounds per game. Rangers Protocol Gas is the Rangers Protocol ecosystem token, with a total supply of 21 million pieces. In the economic system of Rangers Protocol, ecological nodes that generate blocks are divided into proposal and verification nodes. This system adopts an open participation mechanism, allowing all registered users to participate in the system's operation.